Hey guys, welcome back. So now we're going to do the final flip through of, I moved the microphone in case you were wondering. The final flip through. I'm done with everything in here now. I've glued some more tabs down, throughout. So I've got some removable and some glued in. So those are all good to go. But we got our original tuck with the journaling card and an envelope that has one of these specimen slides in it. I could have used that as the pocket, I guess, but that's okay. But it's got plenty of writing space. There's the first page. But I tried to make it fairly clear that it can be journaled in on either side. And I put a little blue flower on this side. But you know, they can clip their own stuff in or add pockets or whatever if they want to. This is a pocket. It's got a tag that can be written on. And this side has a tag that can be written on. I didn't put these in all of the tags, just some of them. But you know, wanted to make sure that there was plenty of writing space. The little bird. Just a sticker here. Hope everyone is doing well today. I think I just got started without even asking. I glued a tab on here to the bottom, but made sure that there was still room to pull the journaling card and the notebook out. So we got, so about every fourth page is decorated or something like that. Fourth or fifth page, you know. Got a sticker here and another tab there. Made a pocket and a tag here. This was just some Tim Holtz paper. From one of the, what is it, the backdrops, I think is what they're called. I don't know. I have all my backdrops together, so I don't know what set is what. Yeah, this was just a random scrap of scrapbook paper. Tab. Anything can be stuck on here, but I've got a little tag on that side. I didn't put a sticker on there, as you know, whoever decides they want it. Here's a journaling card that can be journaled on. So got in the car today, was going to start it up because I got jumped off yesterday. And nothing. It has no power or anything. So I had to call in. Luckily my, she's the supervisor, basically above my supervisor. She's the one that was on call this weekend. She said if she couldn't find coverage, she had an extra vehicle for me to use to go to work. But she was able to find coverage, but I told her as soon as I got my Jeep back on Monday or Tuesday that I would be more than willing to work extra to make up for it. This was just a scrap of paper left, so I just stuck it in there because it had flowers and stuff. Another page tab. It's thundering out here. There's my little hummingbird tag, which I thought was super cute. And the little moth. This may not be uploaded today, which is Friday. I think today is Friday. Is today Friday? Friday? Yes, Friday. I got a little bird sticker here. I believe these came from Hobby Lobby. They were on sale. It's been a while since I got them. Like I said, I haven't bought anything like craft-wise in quite a while. Since I bought the resin kit. Now my paper is ripped there. I may just stick a piece of washi on it. Real quick. I'm just going to put my phone there to hold it in place because I don't have anything else right now in my way. Looky here, I got a piece of washi that's a small piece of washi that's got dragonflies on it. There. So now it can be written on. Still. Another scrap of paper that can be written on. Made a little tag also that can be written on. Made a pocket with a mushroom. Another tab. A tuck spot with a journaling card. Y'all saw the owl. That one has nothing on it. Did I think I glued that in there accidentally. So that one may not come out. Oh well. I'll work on it later. And that one, of course, has a journaling card in it. That one has the tag that can be written on. And of course, you could stick like a sticker or piece of washi or something like that on there if you wanted. I got these blue butterflies. Not sure how they would go. I don't really know how sticky. Oh. This particular washi tape is. Oh, I guess it's the kind that you have to peel. Yeah. Let's peel that off. What ties in the colors at least. On that side. Another tab and a sticker. Like I said, that one's just clipped in. So maybe I need another clip on that side. We'll do the blue on that side. Just to hold it in place better. And it can be journaled on. Plenty of writing space. Tim Holtz paper. I left that plain because it can be written on. This was also Tim Holtz paper. I decorated it. I think I did that one on camera. And it fits in here nicely. And that little tuck spot. And the butterfly back there. And then this one, a random piece of scrapbook paper. And a little journaling card. And that's just a decorated page with a moth sticker and a label that can be written on. Just a tag. It can be I didn't do anything special to it, so I like the picture on there because it actually matches the pocket. So I just inked around it and used it as a tag. And there's the back. There was a card, a journaling card that I did, or a tag, I mean. I don't think I took it out. I was going to show you guys what it looked like. See if I can get this washi tape stuck back together with this tape real quick. So I can get it put back over. I've got it in my washi tape in a utensil, a silverware tray. What did I do with that? I think it's closer to the beginning. But I didn't take it out, I don't guess. To show you guys, what did I do with it? Oh, here it is. I think I missed this page entirely. But I made this little tag with a black and white moth sticker, a number, and one of my grungy labels. And this was a Tim Holtz. One of the backdrops that had like flowers and cacti and stuff on there. But yeah, that is it. Now, what was in the back pocket? I forgot. What was in here? Oh, I got 2 tags. A tag and a journaling card, I mean. They can be written on. Yep. So, that one is complete. So, the next one I will start on is Kayla's Odysseus journal, but I gotta get all that stuff printed out, so it'll probably be a couple of days. Because Lord knows I am not looking forward to fussy cutting all that. The times where I wish I had a brother scan and cut, but I can't afford that right now with everything else going on, so that would be like one of those luxury items that may have to wait, or I'll just get me some help. Excuse me. To fussy cut or something. But anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I will see you guys back here again really soon. Bye.